Today I'm going to be going over my crust pants, my first pair of pants I ever worked on. I think I wore these between 2020 and 2023, maybe every third day it probably averaged out to. Some of the stuff's a little bit cringe on here, but a lot of it is just blank t-shirt material or like pant material for patches. Starting from the top, I've got this Converse All-Star thing that I cut off friend's pair of shoes they were throwing out. This is a robbery patch, full punk band, they sent that to me from Australia. Up here is just more colored fabric because the pocket got a hole in it. And I've also got some fake leather up there. I've got urine speaks louder than words on a politician. It's a Pat the Bunny lyric. Black flag, streetlight manifesto, some pop tabs, and an anarchy patch. More shirt material. This is an Eat the Rich patch that I got off Etsy, but I couldn't tell you the seller anymore. This is an anti-Nazi patch. I've been told that we shouldn't be repping swastikas on our shit anymore, so if I end up working on these again sometime soon, there's a couple things I need to change. Choking victim patch. I've just got holes here that originally in the winter I would put plaid in to keep everything kind of warm. I've also got a More Than Comrades patch. Most of the stuff like is just cut out from shirts, but there's a lot that I've painted like that. Mosh or Die. Star Fucking Hipsters here on the side, along with Dead Kennedys up here that I did kind of shittily. And then I've also got this is Random Ass Star from SpongeBob shirt, Mustang Sally, Dystopia, Tool, Fright Light, which is like a horror punk band from here that are defunct now, and this cool little white patch in the bottom. It's a lot of text. And then on the other side, cut up from t-shirts, this Beings Will Continue Until Morale Improves, and Hales patch, which is one of my bands. I also got Pink Floyd underneath here, some more words, Combustion Training, No Effects, some more plaid on the inside. This is actually a hidden pocket for like lighters and shit. We've got a Stay Weird patch, some stuff cut up from a school band shirt. This used to say my pronouns, he, him, and Rage Against the Machine there. So that's the front. And onto the back now. The bottoms are kind of falling apart here, so I've had to do some definite touch-up work. I've just got a rainbow there, a flower, I think it's like a lily of the valley or something, but I may be totally off on that. A friend drew that for me. There's a little hitchhiking dude. Another No Effects patch, Green Day patch, a theater patch, anti-flag patch that I want to replace. We've got some stars up there, another pocket sewn on, so there's like 2 pockets there. Got a flower and a feather. I've got a Fugazi patch. I've got this opossum that my friend drew that I think's really cute. There's some bleach stains here. We got gay corn. Got an Anarchy A that you can't really see there. It's, zipper. AJJ patch. This was supposed to be my Star Fucking Hipsters patch before I had Star Fucking Hipsters on there, which is kind of funny. We got 1312. And other than that, that's the entire back. Honestly, like I said, these were made from like 2020 onwards, so there are some things on here that I probably wouldn't rep now, but I did wear these nearly every day, so got a lot of nostalgia for me, and I'm happy I still own them. I was able to give a quick walkthrough. There's more shit on my channel, so if you guys enjoyed, you can go see more of my up-to-date clothes.